Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I just want to share to you this uh, uh, Facebook bugs that I have encountered while managing my Facebook page. If you know how to fix this problem or if you know the solution, please help me. I've been trying to solve this or checking back and there tweaking, but I couldn't find the solution. I think this are legit bugs. So I will show you the first one. So this is my page, simply AlRitch, and this is using the uh, new pages experience Facebook page. This is not the classic page, the old one. So as you can see, you have the professional dashboard, insights, ad center. So this is the look of the new pages experience. You will know that, okay, if you go to, hang on, wait, I think in the settings, okay, let's try to see the settings. So it says here new pages experiences, new pages experience. So this is the upgraded Facebook page. It's now called new pages experience. And like few weeks ago, or I don't remember, this the content, the management of content, or I don't know, months, I'm not sure. It's also upgraded. As you can see here, this is the new look for the management of content with the Meta Business Suite. So you can go live here, click create new story by clicking on that one, and then creating a new reel. Yeah, you can see the Facebook preview reel. What else? um, let's go back. And your content. Okay, so create post, whether it's an image, a video, or yeah, you can also see your Instagram post if you have connected that to your own account or Facebook page. So as you can see, this post is also visible on my Instagram page. So let's go back. I'm going to share to you the first bug that I have encountered using the Meta Business Suite. So in my video section, I have there the playlist. So I have playlist for all my live stream for both of my channels, for Simply AlRitch TV and Simply AlRitch Tutorials. I have also a playlist for my cover songs and for some random videos. So I am going to show you. So these are my cover songs, live stream, live singing, live food trip challenges, and so on and so forth. So before, if I click on this manage playlist, it will automatically go let me redirect me to the creator tool studio, where I can just drag and drop or click the videos that I want to add in a playlist. But with the Meta Business Suite, um, you can do that by going to the content section. I just found this out. um, and then, so for example, I'm going to choose the video, the most recent one. So this one is a reel, Facebook reel. So this one, Facebook Star Sender. So if you want to update, click on that one, then click the three small dots, then edit post. Yeah, so the good thing is when you view that particular video, you can see how much have you earned with the stars, using the with the Facebook star earnings. Sorry for that one again. So I've earned 50 stars here from Edwin Almanza. Thank you so much. If you click edit post, okay, you can edit the video. So you can edit the content, add tags, and if you can also include some name or collaborators to your video. And to the playlist is updated here in the distribution. But the problem is it didn't pull your old playlist. So as you can see here, if I click the drop down, it doesn't have any playlist. So I can't add this new video to an existing playlist. We'll try to create a new playlist. So playlist can include episodes and any of your other videos. It has three fields: the title, the description, and the playlist cover. But the only required field for you is the title. So I'm going to click fill out that info. So test playlist, create playlist, and then but unfortunately it's not found here. It is not saving that playlist. So this feature is not working for me. So it's been like my videos are like sitting here for almost 3 weeks now. How many videos have I had? New videos that are not um, here in my playlist. So I think it started from this one. Yeah, 3 weeks ago. 6 videos. They are not found on my playlist. So that's the first problem that I have encountered. So it seems like the playlist section, the managing playlist, is still a bug or an issue for Facebook Meta Business Suite. So let me know if there is a fix to that, or do you know the workaround? So the second thing is this one, like with the new pages experience, I wanted to turn on the reviews in my page here, but unfortunately it seems like it's not working. I've been doing that a couple of times, but turning it on is not really working. Okay, I will click on the edit details, and there you can update that. Here I think it's add services. Let's try to click on that one. Okay, here basic info, turn on reviews. So reviews are public, influencer rating cannot be deleted, so I click on that one, save. Okay, is there any button to save? There's nothing yet, right? Okay, but still it's not showing here. Let me refresh that. It's really frustrating. Okay, I will try to manage the sections. About mentions. So about mentions, followers, photos, videos, live groups, music, questions. So it's not even here. The reviews are not here. I don't know how to turn that reviews on with the new pages experience. So it's really frustrating. And earlier when I tried to switch to the classic pages, because I really wanted to uh, add those new videos to my playlist and then turn on the reviews, I tried this one, but it's not the best decision. It would really just frustrate you. Okay, content you shared as your updated page won't move back to the classic pages. So what does it mean? What does it mean? So the new contents, the new post that you created using the classic new pages experience will not show when you switch to the classic page. So for example, this one, I've made this 4 hours ago. When I switch it earlier, this post is not found. You can only see like broken link, something like a broken image, and they will not be able to see the image, nor this content, like this one. Yeah, nor the original content. So it will really just frustrate you. And then this pin post is not there. It will pin like the old post that you have. I don't know what time it reverts back. Well, I don't know. I don't know what time was it. I think May. I think it was May, or way back old post. So it will just really frustrate you. And then it duplicates my profile picture. It created like two profile pictures. So in my album here, I only have one profile pictures and one cover photo. And then when I switch back to the classic page, it created two profile pictures and additional two cover photos. So it has three profile pictures and three cover photos, and then it will use the newest one. The good thing is, okay, the good thing is you can still revert back to the um, new pages experience. So what happens to content I created? So that's the good thing. Content you shared from your updated page won't move back to classic. When you switch back to classic, a file of your content you shared will be created just to be downloaded. New page will go. Okay, it works differently. Or yeah, right. What features, top funds, invite to follow. Yeah, that's the info, guys. Where I will show you, click the console. So new content, what changes? New content won't show on classic pages, so that's really frustrating. New features and settings go away. Active ads updated to pages go away. Okay, yeah, that's click. Switching back, switching back to class will be temporary. You'll be prompted to again as soon as we can. Okay. Yeah, yeah, guys. So that's really frustrating. But the good thing is you can switch back to the new pages experience. Another thing that I've found with the new pages experience is that I couldn't see my top funds here. I couldn't see my top funds. There's no way to see who are your top funds. There's no community here. I couldn't see my top funds. You can only switch you can only turn on the top fun badges. Yeah, like this one only, turn on the top fun badges. Yeah, so every time, like if I post for new top funds, I just check it on my mobile phone and then select one, view the one top fun, and then so for example Nestle, I'll just click on his on her profile on my mobile phone, and I can see there a link to view my top funds. But it's not working here with your when you are browsing using your laptop or desktop computer. Yeah, that's really frustrating. You know any fix to this solution? Or I think they are still working on this um Meta Business Suite. So far that's really frustrating. Um, yeah, that's it, guys. So I think while this is still not like how do you call it? What's the right term? Stable. I think you can still go with the classic pages, but since I have already switched to the new pages experience like long time ago, when was this release? New pages experience release. I couldn't switch back to the classic pages because my new contents will not be visible anymore. Yeah, so that's why I have to bear this bugs. January 6, 2021. So I think I have switched that time uh, to the new pages experience. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for listening to my cries to my frustrations. I hope you know the fix to these problems, or I hope they will be able to fix these bugs soon, because I really wanted to manage my videos and manage my videos to the correct playlist, and then turn on the reviews for my page and see my fans right away, the list of my fans right away, even when I am viewing using my laptop, because I'm mostly using my laptop, not my mobile phone. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, guys. That's it for today.